In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit Pine script in TradingView. Now, the first thing you have to do on your chart, you want to go to the bottom right and click on this Pine icon to open the Pine side panel. Or what you could also do if you don't see this, go to products down here and click on Pine editor. Now, in here is where you can basically edit your Pine script, okay? So as you can see here, I do have like some script in here which I can edit. So I could do over here, I could go and type in whatever I want, and yeah, it's going to allow me to edit this that way. Then whenever you do it, you could just add it to your chart. So I can click on add the chart, and it's going to add on that specific indicator or strategy you are currently editing inside the Pine script. Or of course, if you make any changes like this, for example, you could just go and hit this update on chart button over here, and it's going to update on chart as well. Now, if you make any mistakes like I did over here, for example, of course, it's not going to work. So we're going to have to correct these, click on the refresh button yet again, and then it's going to hopefully work for you just like this, okay? Now, that's how you can actually edit your Pine script. Now, if you want to create a new script for a new like indicator or strategy, you want to go to click on the current name over here. I have like a test indicator, and then you want to click on create new and then indicator. Now from here you can of course create a new one. So if I just delete this and paste in some code I have, as you can see, it's gonna basically allow me to do this in here. Okay, I can now go ahead and basically add this to my chart, so it's the same one I actually used earlier, so it's the same one on here as well. But you get the point. You can now edit this however you want, and then up here top right you have like the editor settings as well if you want to use these too, and then you have some other things as well in case they are relevant in your case. Okay, now here you can also open the editor in a new window like this or in a new tab if for some reason you want to use this like on a separate monitor or whatever. But yeah, that's essentially how you can edit your Pine script. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.